Hi guys, so here we have the braided USB charging cables. They come in 1, 2 or 3 meters and in a variety of colours. For demonstration purposes we are going to use the 2 meter red cable. One of the most frequent issues with standard charging cables is that the plastic starts to tear after a while, so these nylon braided cables have been designed to overcome that issue. One of the most important aspects of this cable is the fast charging feature. The copper material used inside the wire is thicker than your standard charging cables and will ensure faster charging compared to standard chargers. It's got reinforced neck joints, as this is one of the most used sections of the cable due to the constant pressure on them when pulling out of the device. It's got nice smooth aluminium connectors on both ends. It comes in 3 sizes, so suitable for all applications, whether it be by your bedside, sofa side, in the car or next to your computer.